Along to number three. Number three are for people who like to entertain. If you like to entertain at the highest level, if you're a host and hosting is what you do, you're gonna love this unit. Roll the clip.
Now, as we walk in, you're immediately greeted by floor-to-ceiling windows and these soaring 20-foot ceilings. On the first floor, you've got this incredible glass-enclosed living room. Everything about this apartment is really made for entertaining. But let's head into the Vallicini Chef's Kitchen. You have double exposures that bring in so much light. You also have top-of-the-line Miele appliances, 2 dishwashers, plus a Sub-Zero fridge and a wine cooler. Everything is custom and everything is thoughtfully designed. Now, right off the kitchen, you have this cozy room here. And me personally, I think this is where I'll spend the most time. If I owned this apartment, I absolutely love this space. You also have an ensuite bathroom right next to it. Now, adjacent to this, you have this beautifully landscaped terrace. And the views from this terrace are insane. But again, the entire point of this apartment is about entertaining. Everything about this apartment is about entertaining. I think out here you've got the perfect blend of greenery and skyline, but let's head upstairs. Upstairs, we're going to find 2 additional rooms, including the primary suite. The primary suite is everything you expect. Now, before we get up there, I do want to apologize that, for the bed not being made up, the owner still lives here. There was a little bit of a rush, but the primary suite is spacious, it's private, and it's drenched in natural light once you let those curtains up. You also have the ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom you have closet space here. Now, when the ensuite bathroom have gorgeous finishes, it have this deep soaking tub, a glassed enclosed shower, and again, tons of natural light if you need it. All you have to do is let the blinds up. But let's head down the hall. Down this hall, we have the secondary bedroom. I think this bedroom is perfect for guests, kids, or even more office space if you need it. Beautiful views, as always, in this apartment. And then you also have, again, an ensuite bathroom. But let's talk about the real star of this home, the rooftop. This private rooftop spans over 1,000 square feet. If you love entertaining, this is where you're hosting all your summer parties. You have a great speaker system. I mean, we got views, we got space, we got privacy. It's all here. Everybody knows the importance of a rooftop in New York City. You get a private one, your own, right in your apartment. This unit is listed at $6.95 million right here in Chelsea. You guys let me know what you think of this one because I absolutely loved it, and I will see you on the next one.
And other